If you're trying to eat high protein but still want comfort food, these high protein chicken nuggets are for you. These homemade nuggets are coated in Quest Nacho Cheese protein chips, air fried until crispy, and actually taste like real chicken nuggets. Let's get started. Start with a large bowl and add 1 pound of ground chicken. Then mix in 2 tablespoons of Panko breadcrumbs to help bind everything together so the nuggets hold their shape. For seasoning, add half a teaspoon each of paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder, plus 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. That bouillon adds a salty, savory flavor that makes these taste even more like a classic chicken nugget. Crack in 1 large egg, then mix everything till fully combined. You want the seasonings, egg, and breadcrumbs evenly mixed all the way through. Once that's ready, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This makes shaping the nuggets easier and prevents sticking, because we're going to pop these in the freezer for about 20 minutes so they can firm up. Use a cookie scoop to portion them out evenly. You should get 12 nuggets from this recipe. If you don't have a scoop, just do your best. Or if you have a kitchen scale, they're about 1.5 ounces each or 43 grams. Once you've portioned out your 12 nuggets, go ahead and shape them. Press them down slightly and tuck in the edges. They don't need to be perfect. We're going for a simple homemade style nugget. After shaping them, pop the nuggets into the freezer for 20 minutes. These will help them firm up and make them easier to coat with our egg wash and breadcrumb mixture. While those chill, let's make the breading. To pack in extra protein, we're going to crush up some Quest protein chips. They come in a bunch of different flavors, so use whatever you like, but today we're going with nacho cheese for a cheesy chicken nugget. Cut a small hole in the bag to release the air. This makes them easier to crush with a rolling pin. Roll them just a few times. We're not looking for a fine powder or anything. We want a texture similar to the panko breadcrumbs. Pour the crushed chips onto a plate, then add 2 tablespoons of panko breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons of grated parmesan cheese. You can grate your own or use pre-grated. Whatever you have will work. Just give everything a quick mix. Next, make the egg wash. Crack 1 large egg into a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of milk. Whisk that until fully combined and set that aside. Grab your nuggets from the freezer. Now set up a simple assembly line. This will make coating the nuggets much faster. One by one, dip each nugget into the egg wash, letting any excess drip off. Then place it into the breadcrumb mixture and lightly coat all sides. You don't need to pack it on, we're just going for a light, even coating. My air fryer only fits 6 nuggets at a time, so once I've coated 6, I set the rest aside and put them back into the freezer to stay firm while these cook. Next, grab some cooking spray and liberally coat the nuggets. This helps them get that nice crispy outside. But we're going to bake these for 5 minutes. And we're going to flip the nuggets, spray them again, and bake them for another 5 minutes. But generally air fry these at 350 to 375 degrees, depending on the strength of your air fryer. Make sure they reach an internal temperature of 165 before serving. And just like that, they're done. Golden brown with crispy edges. I personally like to dip these in Frank's buffalo sauce, but you can use ranch, blue cheese, honey mustard, whatever you prefer. These nuggets are also great for meal prep. You can freeze them for up to 2 months for best quality. They're still safe longer, up to 3 months, but for best texture, within that 2-month window. High protein doesn't have to be boring. Follow for more.